Hassan, a full-time freelance web and hybrid apps developer. Previously, I created a course here in Udemy named Develop Ionic for Angular iOS Android apps for WooCommerce, where I developed a full-featured Ionic for Angular-based web store app for WooCommerce WordPress platform. I got very good responses and appreciation from lots of students. I tried to make it super easy to understand, went step by step and explained every bit of code and technology that works behind the app. You may know that right now WooCommerce does not have native API support to process payment directly from the app. Besides this, there are many websites that are using many other plugins with WooCommerce that don't have API support yet. So, how to create an app for such a website where you can't access and process all product and order data using WooCommerce native API, and it does not have any native API to process payment? There is a way. You can do it. This is the most interesting part of this course, which is web-based checkout in in-app browser for WordPress WooCommerce online store. And yes, you can set user logged in your website directly from app when the user lands on website using in-app browser. So the user doesn't need to log in twice. If a user is logged in app, user will be automatically logged in website when he lands on product page using in-app browser. In-app browser brings this convenience to all app developers as well as all customers. Many of my students requested me to create another organized course using Ionic and Angular where we can achieve the above function by integrating some other plugins like Facebook login, Google login, and so on. So in this course, I am going to use latest stable version of Node as well as latest version of Ionic as a development environment. We will use WordPress WooCommerce as backend data provider for this project, implement user registration using WooCommerce API version 3, login and authentication using JWT authentication plugin for WordPress. Once those parts are done, I will show you how to use Cordova in this project and integrate different Cordova plugins like Facebook login, Gmail login, in-app browser, and so on. You may find related tutorials topics in some blog, but those are not explained in such a way so that a beginner level developer can learn and understand them perfectly. Moreover, you are getting everything in one place and from one source code base. You are getting both an Android and iOS app that is ready to submit to Play Store and App Store. At the end of this course, you are going to get a full-featured WordPress WooCommerce based online store app where checkout is done in in-app browser so that you don't need to think about payment gateway integration using WooCommerce API or process product data or order data using WooCommerce API. Additionally, you are going to be a master of these plugins used here and feel free, very flexible to use other Cordova plugins for Ionic Angular with extra confidence. I hope to see you in this course very soon. This course comes with a 30 days money back guarantee. So buy the course, watch the videos. If it does not go well, then ask for a refund within 30 days. All your money back, no questions asked. So why are you waiting for? Let's start this great adventure.